Today, we're going to learn some useful English vocabulary related to clothing problems. We'll learn words and phrases that you can use to describe common issues you might encounter with your clothes, like a shirt that's too tight or a pair of jeans that are too long. We'll also practice using these words in sentences. I spilled coffee on Miss Hurt. I spilled coffee on my shirt. There's a stain on my t-shirt. There's a stain on my t-shirt. The wind blew up my skirt. The wind blew up my skirt. I can't zip up my dress. I can't zip up my dress. My jeans are too tight. My jeans are too tight. There are sweat stains on my shirt. There are sweat stains on my shirt. There is a hole in my sock. There is a hole in my sock. I ripped my jeans. I ripped my jeans. My shirt is too tight. My shirt is too tight. I forgot to zip up my pants. I forgot to zip up my pants. My jeans are too loose. My jeans are too loose. There is a loose thread on my sweater. There is a loose thread on my sweater. I had a period leak on my skirt. I had a period leak on my skirt. The heel of my shoe broke while walking. The heel of my shoe broke while walking. My sweater is peeling after a few washes. My sweater is peeling after a few washes. I need to button up my shirt. I need to button up Miss Hurt. The sleeves on this shirt are too long. The sleeves on this shirt are too long. A bird pooped on my shirt. A bird pooped on my shirt. The zipper on my bag is broken. The zipper on my bag is broken. These shoes hurt my feet. These shoes hurt my feet. This skirt is too short. This skirt is too short. I lost a button on my shirt. I lost a button on my shirt. You are wearing your jeans inside out. You are wearing your jeans inside out. My clothes have a mildew smell. My clothes have a mildew smell. My shirt is creased. My shirt is creased. My bra is visible under the shirt. My bra is visible under the shirt. My white shirt has turned yellow. My white shirt has turned yellow. My jacket is torn. My jacket is torn. My shoelaces are untied. My shoelaces are untied. The sole of my shoes are falling off. The sole of my shoes are falling off. My black pants are covered in lint. My black pants are covered in lint. I spilled coffee on my shirt. I spilled coffee on my shirt. Thank you for watching this video.